Alright folks, we're taking the Jeep for the first spin. Transmission feels pretty good. The brakes are feeling good. I wish I could say the Jeep was comfortable, but it's not. Oh, hush. Jeep is not comfortable at all. It feels like it's off on a rodeo. I'm thinking that's because of the sway bar lights on. I got an ABS light on, which that's a wheel speed sensor on it. Fix the camera here again. Oh. This thing's horrible to drive. I hate Jeeps. I believe you can knock this thing above 40 mile an hour on this damn road. Holy shit. This is horrible. Transmission feels like shifting fine. What I feel of it so far. I'm not a Jeep person, so couldn't give you all that much info about how the transmission is supposed to feel. Reverse has power. Feels, I don't know, like it's not a camber right in this front end.